Welcome to Discover Agriculture. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of black pepper farming, a spice that has been highly prized for centuries. Known as the king of spices, black pepper is an essential ingredient in cuisines worldwide. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to start and succeed in black pepper farming, from land selection to harvesting and marketing. Stay with us till the end to unlock the secrets of growing this valuable crop. Black pepper is a flowering vine cultivated for its fruit, which is dried and used as a spice and seasoning. Originating from the western Ghats of India, it thrives in tropical climates. Black pepper is known for its pungent flavor and medicinal properties, making it a sought-after spice in global markets. Black pepper thrives in warm, humid climates with temperatures ranging between 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall of 2,000 to 3,000 millimeters. It requires well-drained, loamy soils rich in organic matter. Select a site with partial shade and good air circulation to prevent diseases. Black pepper can be propagated through seeds, cuttings, or layering. However, cuttings from high-yielding mother plants are preferred for commercial cultivation. Choose disease-free, healthy cuttings about 30 to 40 centimeters long with 3 to 4 nodes. Plant the cuttings at the onset of the rainy season for optimal growth. Black pepper vines require support structures to climb. Commonly used supports include living standards like Erythrina or Gliricidia trees, or artificial poles made of wood, bamboo, or concrete. Plant the cuttings at the base of the support structures, spacing them about 2 to 3 meters apart to ensure adequate growth space. Maintain soil health by incorporating organic matter, such as compost or farmyard manure. Apply balanced fertilizers with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to promote healthy growth. Regular soil testing helps adjust nutrient applications as needed. Black pepper plants require consistent moisture, especially during dry periods. Drip irrigation is an efficient method to ensure adequate water supply while conserving water. Mulching around the base of the plants helps retain soil moisture and reduce weed growth. Common pests and diseases affecting black pepper include aphids, mealybugs, root knot nematodes, and fungal infections like Phytophthora. Implement integrated pest management practices to minimize pest and disease pressure. Black pepper berries are typically harvested when they start to turn red. Handpick the spikes and spread them out to dry in the sun for about 7 to 10 days. The dried berries are then cleaned, graded, and stored in a cool, dry place. Proper post-harvest handling ensures high-quality pepper with good market value. Black pepper is a high-value spice with strong demand in both domestic and international markets. Develop a marketing strategy to reach potential buyers, such as spice traders, processors, and export markets. Consider value-added products like ground pepper or pepper oil to diversify income streams. Keep abreast of market trends and pricing to maximize profits. Black pepper farming offers lucrative opportunities for farmers willing to invest time and effort into cultivating this valuable spice. By following the best practices outlined in this video, you can achieve high yields and quality produce. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Discover Agriculture. Like, comment, and share with fellow agriculture enthusiasts.